Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Xfinity XPODs. First, carefully unpack your XPODs and identify the best spots in your home for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. A good rule of thumb is to place them roughly halfway between your Xfinity gateway and any areas where you experience a weak signal. Remember to keep them in open spaces, clear of large metal objects or other electronics that could interfere with their performance. Once your XPODs are strategically placed, it is time to power them on. Simply plug each XPOD directly into a live electrical outlet. You will then need to wait a few moments for the indicator light on each XPOD to turn a solid white. This solid white light confirms that the XPOD is powered and ready for activation. Next, grab your mobile device and open the Xfinity app to proceed. With the Xfinity app open, navigate to the Connect tab, then look for and select the option to add a device or activate XPODs. The app will then guide you through the activation process. You will either scan the QR code found on the back of your XPOD or manually enter its serial number. Please allow about 10 minutes for the XPODs to fully connect and optimize your home's Wi-Fi network. If you encounter any issues, such as an XPOD light blinking, try a simple restart by unplugging it for about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. If your Wi-Fi coverage remains unsatisfactory, consider relocating your XPODs to different spots, ensuring they are not placed too far from each other or your main gateway. Always check your Xfinity app for real-time network status and helpful optimization tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.